It's your boy Back to the Money. You see, as we are, early morning fitness, baby. We're getting it in. We get it out, man. Right now it's like 6:23. You know what I'm saying? Me and the homie getting the workout in. This is what we do. We do the rise and grind, morning grind, baby. The grind do not stop. But today I got something real special for y'all. Got a mind for y'all. Y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. But you know, right now I'm finished this workout. We'll get to it later. Yo. Killer workout, man. Killer workout, as you can see. I'm sweating, man. Gonna go hit this gym. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Man, I'm out of breath right now, man. Like I said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Like I told y'all later on, man, y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. Got a surprise for y'all today. But until then, man, in the gym. About to get freshened up, get ready for this work. You know what it is. Swipe left. All right, we're done with the workout. Time to get to work. I'm over here walking to this beast. As you can see, man, I parked by my homie right here with the Mercedes. But you know, let's go ahead and start that beast up. So yeah. Monday, another work day, another great day, man. Hope y'all having a blessed day. Hope whatever y'all doing, it's a good thing, not a bad thing. But I'm about to get to work. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on my video, man. I thank y'all for taking the time for watching my video. But without further ado, it's time to get to work. Back to the money. Holla. What is up, my Back to the Money gang? How y'all doing today? Man, I hope y'all having a great day, a blessed day as well. We back. I'm on my lunch break now. I didn't give you too much of the work footage because I'm a little bit busy, but my mod came in today, and you will see later on what it's gonna be. But man, come on, let me through. I'm happy for the mod. It's supposed to make a real big change. Not a big change, but supposed to give it a little bit more horsepower, you know. But we're gonna get into that later on. I'm gonna show y'all what the mod is. So, you know what I'm saying? You see the title, you see the thumbnail, stick around. You'll see what the mod is going on the Boogeyman. But without further ado though, I'm gonna get this lunch, eat, chill. I'm a little break and come back to work. Hopefully, if we ain't busy, I can show y'all what the mod is. So y'all just need to stick around. But if you do have my Instagram, I will put the link description down below. You can follow me at Back to the Money, and also you can follow me at Boogeyman59. That is for my car. So all the car mods I do, I got that channel just for all the car mods. You'll see what I'm doing. So if you do click right now, you'll be able to see what kind of mod that I'm doing. But if you don't, you're gonna miss out. So stick around, stay tuned. I'm back to the money, going to lunch. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and we're gonna get right back to this video later on. You know, on this good old lunch break, got this food: Eagles Nation, Cane's, Taco Bell. And I just went to the gym this morning. That's how they got me eating at work today. So tonight, I'm meal prepping. Can't eat this junk. This is not good. Not good. Cause it's fast food. But hope everybody enjoying my video, man. I hope y'all subscribe, like, comment. Man, I'm so excited. I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited. Hope y'all excited too. Hope y'all excited for me. Got this new mod, this Roto Fab, man. I've been waiting on this, I think, for like 3 months. I've just been debating on this. Man, this clicking noise is getting on my nerve. But I just been debating on getting this air filter. I was about to go with another one, the cold air inductions, but I had that one on my 2015 Camaro. And some people say, yeah, when you do get on the gas, you do hear like the little but I did hear it. But check this out. Once I put the old air filter in, I didn't hear it no more. Now, at the time, I didn't know about the delete thing that they was talking about. What I got with this one, I didn't know about all that, but now it don't even make that noise. But shout out to my mother-in-law because she drives that car. She takes very good damn care of it. Man, I missed it. I used to call that one the ghost. But back to what I was saying was, I'm happy for this mod that I got. I've been back and forth looking on internet websites, just didn't know what air filter I was gonna go with. So I end up pulling the trigger, end up doing a little bit more research, talk to my guys at Phastek. Shout out to y'all at Phastek too, guys, man. Y'all are great customer service. Everything, the link in the description will be down below with them, man. Hey, if you stay in Houston, man, they like right here off of Eldridge. Like, I'll put the address, everything, man. They're good people, man. Like, and the delivery is fast. I think I placed an order Saturday when I talked to somebody. No, Friday. And I got it Monday morning. That's fast. But besides that, I'm super excited. So, and I also got the little delete thing, the tube delete, whatever they talking about with it. So we're gonna see how that goes. So get ready for the install. Prepare yourself because we installing the Roto Fab today, baby, in the Camaro SS. Whoa, that was a bump. But yes, stick around and stay tuned. I gotta sit here and eat this lunch. Brings this lunch back for the guys. I already know you see that Eagles, Eagle Nation, baby. What is going on, people? Man, it's about that time. I done cleared out everything up here at work, and you see the hood up on the boogie, man. As you see the boxes sitting right there. So you know what that is. So, y'all been wondering what the mod is gonna be. About to get ready and show y'all what the mod is gonna be. Virginia's gonna be something up under the hood because the hood is up. So, I'm gonna get here and show you what this mod is. It's gonna be a surprise. And like I said, man, I'm super excited for this mod. And I'm gonna be see people. There goes the box. What do that box say? Roto Fab. Man, let's just go ahead real quick. Let's check and see what we got in this box. Well, go ahead and cut this open real quick. Once again, man, shout out to Phastek, man, for the great fast delivery. Go ahead and get that. Oh man, they are great. Phastek, I know this, man. They always send me stickers, man. I always gotta represent for them. Right there, Phastek Performance. Yes, sir. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and don't want to cut nothing too weird. Oh, I think I had the box up the wrong way. Oh, I did. All right, boom. There we go. Boom, I got it cut open. Bear with me, y'all. I'm just using my one hand, but I got that Rambo knife with me. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button as well, because anything I do put up, you will get it first. And wow, look at that, people. That looks beautiful. It's everything. Great. I think this is the tube. Nope, that's not the tube delete. Well, it's in here somewhere because I believe I did get the one with the tube delete. Okay, yeah, it's down there, but yeah, this is the Roto Fab. It's about to get replaced the air filter. So you already know what that is. I am happy, but just go ahead and let y'all know you will need an 8mm, a screwdriver, and also a T20 to get that massive airflow out. So what we're about to go ahead and do is, about to go ahead and break the air filter down. Go ahead and take this air filter out. Go ahead and put the new one in. and we're gonna see how it is. I might take an intermittent break because I'm pretty sure the air filter gonna take no more than about 30 minutes to install. So right now, we're gonna get the installation because I am a handyman, as you can tell. I do all my mods. On some of the mods that I can't do, I will send them out to the shop, but some of the ones like the air filter, I'm not gonna pay nobody to do that. That's me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this air filter in, man. All right, as you can see, I got everything out, got everything gutted out. I even got the sound tube removed from back there. Got everything removed from right here. Oh, I did have to use a T47 to get out those 2 bolts right there, but as far as everything else,
rain's coming, man.
It was fairly easy.
Rain's coming.
I see that.
And once that rain comes, it's going to drop down to 30, 50-degree difference.
Ooh, let me hurry up and knock this out.
Forget the video, yo.
I'm making my video. That's my boy Pete right there. All right, as y'all can see, the rain is coming. It's about to get real cold out here in this H time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything up. Well, not put everything up, but for to go ahead and put the new filter in, new everything, and we're gonna see how it sounds. I'm gonna pull it in the garage, or if not, I may give you a ride home and let you know how it feels with the power and everything. Without further ado, just stick around until it's almost done. All right, gang. Back to the money, back at it, baby. I told y'all to stick around, man. I got that air filter put in. I got that Roto Fab put in. Tell y'all, man, I was outside at first. It fucking rained on me. It got cold as shit. I had to pull my car in. Had to start it up first, through a check engine light on, man. I had like everything completely out. But now, I had to pull my car in, had to call my friends, man. I had to push my car in. Now, I'm good now, baby. So yeah, this is Roto Fab. Check it out. I got it all done. You see those Mishimoto's, Roto Fab, man. I got so many mods on here. Like I told y'all people, I am going to do a video on my mods, probably sometime this week or next week. But I just really wanted to put this in because this is one of the mods that, like I told y'all, that I've been going back and forth with. It took me like 3 months. Now I finally got it put in, and it looks great. It looks nice. So I did kind of make a great decision on that, but I'll give y'all an update on that probably like in the next month or 2 weeks to just see how it goes. I don't know if you can tell back there, I did get that delete, so I don't have that sound tube. I did get the sound tube delete, so yeah. Got that new Roto Fab put in. Y'all know what it is. This is Back to the Money. I say thank y'all for subscribing to my channel. Also hit that like button as well. See the car. Hit that like button as well. Hit the notification bell. Without further ado, it's Back to the Money. Over and out. Thank y'all for watching my video. Thank y'all for tuning. This is the Boogeyman. Make y'all subscribe. I will put the link in the description down below. So yeah, man. Holla.